Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in to Novo Banco Portugal. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in login to Novo Banco Portugal and then go to the first link. Now press on access now. After you press on access now you need to input your membership number and your PIN, for example. And then you need to input your PIN here. If it is right, it will automatically log you in. If it is wrong, you will see this prompt. If you have forgotten your PIN, you press on order a new one here and you follow the link and you can follow the instructions here, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.